How to fix camera crashing in phone 4a. First of all, force stop camera. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera app. Now here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear camera cache. Again open settings, scroll down, again click on apps, again search camera app, again click on camera app, scroll down, click on storage, add cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera crashing in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.